Welcome back to the channel outside Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium in Uppal, Hyderabad. The crowd is already going crazy for the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy T20. Fans are queuing up at the gates, blowing whistle, waving flags, and yelling for their teams as the security starts opening the barricades. You can feel the energy building with every cheer as everyone rushes in, excited to watch Baroda take on Himachal Pradesh under the lights. Today's vlog is from the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium in Uppal, Hyderabad, for the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2025. It's match 54 Baroda vs Himachal Pradesh, a T20 starting 4:30 p.m. and the atmosphere outside the stadium is already buzzing with fans walking in and lights coming on for this evening. We are inside Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium and just look at this view. Every stand of fans in team colors waving flags and using their phone flashlights as the stadium lights come on. The noise of the drums, whistles and chants is echoing around this huge 50,000 plus seat and the Hyderabad crowd is fully ready to enjoy Baroda vs Himachal T20 under the lights. We get closer to the start. Baroda captain Krunal Pandya comes near the boundary and gives a big wave to the fans, sending the crowd into loud cheers. You can see everyone standing up with their phones out, trying to catch that moment. And now the umpires walk out, the fielders take their positions, the batters are in the middle, and we are all set for the first ball of the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy clash between Baroda and Himachal Pradesh here in Hyderabad. Krunal Pandya usually bowls left arm spin, but just look at this. He surprised the batter with a quick bouncer and the whole stadium reacts instantly. The crowd around me erupts with laughter and cheers, and you can feel how much everyone is enjoying this unexpected phase from a spinner in the middle of the Baroda vs Himachal Pradesh. Very next ball, he goes back to his normal style and pitches it rough up on the front foot, inviting the drive. The batter leans into it, and you can hear the crowd react again as the ball races past in the infield, with the fans around me fully involved in every single delivery. Tosses it up and the batter goes aerial straight down the ground towards long on for a second. The whole stadium thinks it's simple catch. The fielder settles under it and he puts it down. The ball slips through the hands. The crowd around me screams in disbelief, and you can see Krunal with his hands on his head, shocked that straightforward chance has been dropped. Just look at this stands now. Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium is almost packed and the atmosphere is electric. Fans in every tier are on their feet, waving flags, shooting for every run and wicket, and turning this place into a wall of sound. The Hyderabadi crowd is singing, chanting, and enjoying every moment of this Baroda vs Himachal T20. And sitting here in the middle of this noise feels like a festival inside the stadium. Above Aurora steams in right arm over the wicket and sends down a good length ball outside of the batter plants its front foot and turns it beautifully. Baroda win 5 wickets. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.